What's your next option? What else? Okay, so she said tailgate. Is that close, or is that like you're almost there? Yeah, that's pretty good, right? That's what your sister would do? Would she be in the blue car?
Always.
Would you be in the green car going on the brake as much as you possibly can up there with the cycle?
Yeah.
Oh, we got blue patties here.
Yeah.
So you tailgate. Okay, by the way, I want to be clear. How many of you have ever done a brake check? Okay, that doesn't mean you go to the mechanic and you get your brake checked out. Okay, so somebody tell me your opinion, because I want to get the controversy out. Somebody tell me in your opinion, what's a brake check? You had your hand up pretty quickly. What's a brake check? Oh, she covered her face and I can't see her. Okay, so that definitely doesn't mean you want to pick on her even more. She's still there. Somebody tell me what's a brake check. Wait, backwards? What do you mean backwards? You go in reverse while you're driving? That's called destroying the transmission. Okay, so her husband's telling her, in my opinion, his answer is never wrong. Her husband tells you what you hit the brake?
What do you go? You're not going fast.
Obviously. Okay, so you tap your brake several times. Okay, anybody else have a different interpretation of what a brake check is? Yes, ma'am. She went up the curtain with this. The queen of brake checks. You slam on your brakes. Okay. Does anybody have a different version that doesn't kill two people in cars? Yes.
Check the brake pad.
Check the brake pad? What does that mean?
Like, fill it. You can fill it on fire. How much room in it, or it's good.
Okay, so that's a different brake check. Okay, awesome. No, that works. It is. Yeah. Some people are like, what, you can do that? I thought you said you kind of guys are off. Okay, what's a brake check?
Okay, well, for CGL driving and everything, we have the phone set up, and we just get in the truck, we test the brake right there, and we drive like that. So far, then we have to step on the brake and do that.
Okay, so you're checking the brakes one way, you're checking the brakes one way, and we're okay, so that's why I want clarification. So what I was told, it's not slamming on the brakes, which then has the person behind you go, yeah, they're being annoying, but they don't deserve to go off into the curb. If they cut you off, they totally deserve it. Okay, but, oh, did you guys ever see, I love watching YouTube. Did you ever see the YouTube video just came out I think it's been out for a while, a couple weeks ago? It was somebody's driving, and then somebody pulls up in front of them, and they start yelling like racist slurs at this person, so they're filming, and then the person in the truck is driving, and all of a sudden, and the car like flips around and does it, and then all the person driving goes, this is great, because car is a beautiful thing. Some of you are looking at me like that's weird. A brake check is when, I've learned, a brake check is when you tap your brake, so the lights turn on, but the second you tap your brake, you hit the accelerator so that you don't get into an accident. So does that mean now that you've learned what a brake check is, you get to do it if you get into an accident and put that responsibility on me? Yeah, she's waiting. She can't wait to try her again. Okay. So just want to have clarification. Please don't do that. Okay, make sure you hit the accelerator so you get it.